In this video we are going to teach you how to change the power window down setting on a 2016 Nissan 370Z using the X431 torque. First select Nissan. Confirm the software version and select OK. Select the vehicle with 16 pin. Confirm the van and select OK. Select automatic selection. Confirm vehicle and select OK. Select system selection. Select body control module. A system info screen will appear, select OK. Select special function. Select PW downset. A system info screen will appear, select OK. To change the current setting, select mode 1, 2 or 3. Once complete, select the back arrow. And that's how to change the power window down setting on a 2016 Nissan 370Z.